I think that looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to attempt to put a sticker on the car today. I ordered from Monkey Puzzle Graphics. Pretty straightforward, step-by-step instructions come with it. But yeah, I'll try and put it on now and see if we can get the channel to grow a little bit. Let's try and look professional. The instructions are really straightforward and simple. It says to rub the top of the sticker first to make sure it sticks to the adhesive. It says to use a credit card or something, but I can feel the little bubbles popping out by hand anyway. You'll learn in the same time as me here. So, the other thing that's very important is cleaning the surface. It says to clean the surface with an alcohol wipe and make sure it's bone dry. Not to use window cleaning products like white vinegar, because they can leave a sticky residue. So I've got this off some bathroom sealing tape I had. It's an alcohol wipe. I thought, well, I'm not going to use it in the bathroom. Poof, that's alcohol, alright. So you got to wipe the area. Spotlessly clean. I think it's just to get off any sort of road grease, stuff like that. And I use the lines on the window as my level as well. Make sure it's bone dry. It's been a dry weather for ages, so I thought I'd take advantage of this and get this sticker on. Hello buddy, alright? That's the part I usually get my little daughter to do. She loves peeling stickers. Okay, so you can see it's adhered well there to the backing paper. This is a very reasonable price. I ordered them off, like you say, Monkey Puzzle Graphics on eBay. Where to? That's the question. That was pretty straight, pretty level. Do you agree? Too late now, isn't it? Too late. But yeah, I'm going to try and get out and about, film a couple of shows and stuff. I want to try and grow the channel. Okay guys, moments of truth. What do you reckon? Pass or fail? So far so good. Well, that was very easy, wasn't it? Very easy. I think that looks pretty good. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll pop across Monkey Puzzle Graphics, very reasonable price. There's their socials. Come on. They go obviously not sponsored or nothing. Come on. Sorted. Yep, so like and subscribe please guys. You know where to find me, and hopefully I'll see you at a few shows recently. See you soon guys.